Guess who just got into the game of AI? It's Snapchat, but their AI assistant is kind of disappointing. We're going to talk about that in today's video. I'll show you how to access it, how to use it, and also some of my thoughts about my initial reactions to the Snapchat's AI assistant. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so let's open Snapchat. So obviously step number one, turn on notifications. No, I don't want. That's me. Hey, what's up, guys? Step number one is go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you update your app, because that's when you're going to see all the latest and greatest new features. And then basically what you will see is, look at this. So you're going to see in your chat. So when you go to your Snapchat, let me go back here and show you. When I go back, when you go inside your chat after updating your app, it's going to show up right here. So it's going to say My AI. If this is the first time, you'll have to accept some conditions. This is basically based on OpenAI's ChatGPT, but this AI assistant is very, very basic. I'll show you some of the conversations I've been having. Now, a couple of things you can do. You can customize the Bitmoji. So here's what it's selected by default. I can change that. Right now, the name it gave is My AI. You can change it to whatever you want. I can change it to My Name AI. And then also, if you have any questions, you can ask that. Now, this is pretty basic. I was hoping Snapchat would, whenever they create an AI, because from their lenses, from their app, it's amazing. But I don't know what they did with this AI chatbot. It's very underwhelming, very disappointing. So look at this. Here's my conversation. So I asked, can you create images? And it said, yes, I can create images. What kind of images are you looking for? And I said, create like white dog with pink glasses. And look at this. That sounds super cute. I don't have the ability to create and make images, but I can help you find apps. It just told me it can create images, right? But now it's saying it can't. And then I just sent it emoji or this graphic, and it came back and gave me this graphic. So it was able to respond back with the graphics with me. Let me try that again and see what happens. So I'm just gonna say he, that emoji, and look at this. Instantly it replied back with this emoji right here. So I'm using my Memojis or Bitmojis to have conversation with it. The other thing is, so that was the first thing that was disappointing. It didn't do images. I was hoping, because Snapchat has really good lenses, filters. So I was hoping their AI graphic wise will be awesome. It doesn't do that right now. Then I asked which app. At least it gave me some good recommendations. So Canva, Adobe Spark for to create graphics. So that was at least good. Then here's the other thing. It does not have access to the internet. I was said who. Let me go back. I didn't mean to do that. So I said, who won the Super Bowl in 2023? It didn't know. I'm just a virtual assistant on Snapchat. I don't have access to that kind of information. Okay, fine. Then I said, who won the Oscars in 2023? It didn't have any that information either. So my AI, to me, it looks like it's kind of like ChatGPT. It doesn't have the latest and greatest information. It can also not access the internet for you. So it can do some basic things, but it's pretty useless right now. And then the other thing I asked, can you see my location? And it said yes, because I was reading a lot of people online. They were saying my AI on Snapchat, it has access to your location, but it doesn't say it does. But it looks like now it's saying yes, it can see my location. Do you have access to my location? It says yes. My AI uses Snap Maps to suggest nearby places. Pretty basic stuff. So what can you do with it? So you can do like basic stuff. Can you suggest a movie I should watch? Let's see what it does. What kind of movies you like? So I'm just gonna say scary movies. So this is kind of like an AI personal assistant, so you can ask basic things. So here you go. Here's some recommendations that are actually really good. Interesting. And then I'm gonna ask it, can you tell me something positive to cheer me up? Let's see if it does that. All right, there you go. Spending time in nature can reduce stress, anxiety. Ooh, okay. So you can use it as your AI assistant, some basic things, but some of the things I mentioned, it doesn't create images. It also doesn't have access to the internet. The other thing, the third kind of negative thing about this is, let's say if you wanted to remove this, there's no way you can remove this. So only, well, you can remove this if you have access to Snapchat Plus. So you'll have to go upgrade to Snapchat Plus, and it's like $3.99 per month, so it's not that expensive, but still I would think they'd give you access to remove this, disable this. But right now, if you don't have the Snapchat Plus, you're kind of stuck with it. If you do have Snapchat Plus, you can click on it and then go to chat settings, and then here you'll see an option to disable this bot or hide this bot. Right now there's a setting called hide chat. So what this means is, you can, the conversation you're having with my AI, you can hide that after you see it or after 24 hours of seeing it. So those are two different options. So right now I've selected 24 hours after viewing. That's good enough for me. But again, that's Snapchat's My AI chatbot assistant. By the way, if you're using iPhone, here's something that's much better: Perplexity AI. So download that app, and this actually has, this is much better. And also you can use voice assistant. So if you know, if I go back right here, I can use my voice. So I'm gonna say, hey, who won the Super Bowl in 2023? Let's see. There you go, Kansas City Chiefs. So the Perplexity chatbot AI, it has access to the latest and greatest, and also it can access the internet for you. To me, better than Snapchat, so go give it a try. If you have any questions, let me know before you go like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together. Bye for now.